Grand awakening, Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some great services, massages there. Book a massage with me. Check out the ebooks, the music, the NFTs. Great products are there, and I can't wait to meet you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. Scorpio, everyone loves you because you always have the right word. You always have the thing that is going to settle a person's spirit that is troubling them. Do the same thing. Give yourself the same grace. Don't be so hard on yourself. Look at the things that people love about you, your confidence, your strength, your creativity, your creation, to be able to have the right words and be settled. In the midst of a storm, you're the lazy river where you go with the flow. You are in control of your emotions, which is a superpower that people not only envy, but they say, wow, how do you do that? So I want you to learn to love yourself and look in the mirror and say, wow, I am really that great person. I'm really that great spirit that helps those around me and not only myself. Not everyone can do that. So give yourself some credit. I choose to see the beauty in me. My wealth lies in my nature and my gifts. I transform my weaknesses into strengths, becoming an all-powerful being, and I realize I'm a being of light, and I allow myself to shine, baby, shine. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.